Hello everyone. So I get asked a lot of questions on Facebook, especially. Why are you living in the Philippines? What do you do there? How's life there? What goes on there? Why do you like it there? Get a lot of these questions, so I'm gonna just take the camera out and we're gonna do a fairly normal night in Quezon City where I live. We're gonna go do some laundry and go do some grocery shopping and get something to eat. And I'm gonna take a camera along with me, and basically you can get a little view of what it's like here. And so without any further ado, let's take the camera and go.